As the world has been watching the FIFA World Cup this summer, millions of people have been united by one game. We may speak different languages, come from different cultures, and live in different countries, but soccer is a universal sport that brings people together. That's why I believe a soccer ball is one of the most exciting and impactful wow gifts you can pack in an Operation Christmas Child shoebox. The joy and excitement children experience when they receive one is often off the charts. This past spring, I heard back from an older boy in Cameroon who had received one of our soccer ball shoeboxes. He wrote, "My favorite item in the box was the ball. My love for football is very big. I want to be a footballer, but in my country, football is not easy." Reading those words reminded me just how meaningful a simple soccer ball can be. It's more than just a fun toy. It can represent friendship, hope, and even a dream for the future. So today, in honor of the FIFA World Cup Final, we're packing 12 soccer ball shoeboxes to send joy and the love of Jesus to children around the world. Let's go. So I'm going to start by just pulling out what I'm packing and putting it in this laundry basket. I was donated these 12 colorful soccer balls. It was such a blessing. One of my friends had gone on a missions trip to Peru, and some of the items came in after she had already left. So she knew I did Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes and asked if I wanted to send these. And I had just been kind of regretful that I hadn't packed as many soccer ball shoeboxes this year. So I felt like it was an answer from the Lord, just to have this blessing to be able to send more soccer balls for the boys. And she also included the pumps for it. So there's 12 pumps and soccer balls. And she also had these socks. So they're not soccer socks. They're just a nice heavy duty pair of socks that each of the boys will be getting. So that was a big blessing and really helped me get started on these older boy boxes. Here's my closet full of shirts. So I definitely need to take some out. I have a lot of older boys sizes that I'm going to take out, and that'll help organize this a little more. All right, I managed to pull out 12 different shirts that are in the older boy size. And most of these are either size 14 or 14, 16, or all the way up to size 18. That's kind of how I usually do it for the 10 to 14 boys. But this is just a mix of different styles that I've been getting on sale, mostly at Walmart. I think most of these shirts were about $2 over the past few months. Some of these are also Children's Place. I like that one there with the soccer ball. But these will just be a nice, fun t-shirt. I love to include bright, fun t-shirts for the boys, especially the older boys. And this definitely helped to pare down some of my shirts. I don't have as many as I did. I still have quite a lot in the younger sizes and some of the middle-aged sizes, but my closet definitely needed to have some shirts packed, so this will help. I keep my hygiene and pencil packs way up high here on top of one of our bookshelves. So I'm going to pull those down and pick out 12 hygiene packs and 12 pencil packs for these soccer boxes. Here's what they look like. This is kind of my style from last year. I still have one here to use up. But this year, before packing season started, way back in, I think December or January, I did a video on prepping all of my hygiene and pencil packs. And it just makes it much easier as I'm packing shoeboxes. These are already put together. So I'm going to pull out ones that look a little more boyish and have the bigger toothbrush, since these are for the older kids. And most of my hygiene packs have a toothbrush, a chapstick, a comb, nail file, a cross necklace, a washcloth, and a little scripture card. So that's what they look like this year. And here are 12 of the packs that looked a little more for an older boy. Some of them do also have nail clippers. I don't put those in all of them, but I usually do have some that I put mainly in the older children's boxes. But it's just a nice array of colors, and I think these will be nice for the older boys. I'm going to get the pencil packs out now and do the same thing. Here's what's left of my pencil packs. I am getting through them fairly well. I already pulled out what I need for my larger packing parties that'll be happening soon. So these are just extra ones for my own individual boxes as I'm packing. So most of these will have at least 5 pencils. They'll have 2 pens, a highlighter, scissors. They all have a slap bracelet, some sort of fidget toy, stickers, and brightly colored paper, as well as some fun erasers. So they're all fairly similar in what's in them. And I'm going to pull them all out, pull out 12, and we'll see what I have left. Okay, well, I only have about 4 left already. So I might need to package up some more pencil packs before the end of the year. I still have quite a few shoe boxes. But here are the ones I'll be using in the boys' boxes today, and also the hygiene packs. So I'll just add these in to the laundry basket. It's already filling up nicely. So I still need to get some notebooks for the boys and some coloring tools, probably colored pencils, and we'll keep moving on. This is a little disorganized right now since I've been getting so much with back to school prices out, but I keep my school supplies in this cart here with different drawers. And so I have different things. Like I have this is kind of my random bin. I have glue and sharpeners and fun erasers. And then I have the crayons. And as you keep going down, there's more colored pencils. So usually I can fit everything that I have, but right now I'm kind of overflowing with school supplies, and that should get weeded out as I'm doing shoe boxes and packing parties coming up. Okay, here are 12 packs of colored pencils that I'll add into my pile. And now I think I can move downstairs and I have mostly everything else downstairs that I need. Also, I'll be using the Sterilite plastic shoe boxes. I was able to get several at a good price this year, so I still have some to use. And I also found these bandanas on Amazon for a really good price. So I'm going to pull down 12 of the shoe boxes and 12 of the bandanas. All right, this is a great start. So let's head downstairs and see if I can get these 12 shoe boxes packed. Here are all of the soccer balls out of the packaging. They look so bright and fun. I love the colors on these. And I was able to find notebooks to go along with each color. So I have 2 yellow to go with the yellow balls, and I have orange. I'm going to do black for the white and black soccer balls. And then I have red, green, and blue. So just kind of color coordinating these school supplies a little bit. And I also have some fun soccer themed toys that I ordered off of Amazon. So I'm going to get those out and show you what I have. So the first item are these soccer stickers. And I'll put links in the description for these items, and the prices I'll put on screen as I'm editing this. I don't know if they've changed since I bought them, but I'll put the price that I purchased them at. So these ones just have different soccer stickers and images. Some of them are kind of for the FIFA World Cup theme with different countries, and others are more just generic soccer stickers. So I have enough here. I think I should be able to at least put a couple sticker sheets, if not more, into each of these shoe boxes for the kids. And all ages love stickers, so that's a great item to include. The next item is actually not from Amazon. I found these at Big Lots the other day near the register. They are larger bouncy balls, and they were marked at only 25 cents. So I got as many as I could. They also had basketball styles. So each of these soccer ball boxes will be getting a larger bouncy ball as well. And I also got this 24 pack of soccer whistles to include in the boxes, and whatever is left over I will use for filler. Another toy from Amazon are these little soccer ball fidget spinners, and they will go for quite a while. So they're just a fun little fidget toy for the shoe boxes. I've bought them before, and they're easy to fit, and they come in a lot of fun colors. And lastly, off of Amazon, I ordered some drawstring bags, and I'll get these out and show you what they look like. Here is one of the styles. I think there's 2 different styles that I ordered. This one here says goal and soccer. So there's kind of what it looks like. Just a nice design and a good size drawstring bag so they can carry their ball and different soccer items home with them in here, or when they go to the field to play. And here is another style that says winning with the trophy there. So very fun. I think the boys will enjoy these bags, and they could also use them for school. I printed out some soccer-themed coloring pages from mondaymandala.com, and I thought this would just be not quite a coloring book, but some nice themed coloring pages. This one here has the World Cup on it, and some soccer balls. So just some fun pictures for the older boys. And I also have our family picture and our note. So I'm going to put all of these together and kind of paper clip them all into a little packet. And then I'll include that with the spiral notebook. And here's what they look like all put together. It's just one easy way to personalize your shoe boxes. And notes and pictures are often treasured by the children. So it's definitely something worthwhile to include. My table here is filling up fast, and this isn't all of the items, so I think I'll take one of each item out to my other table and just pack a shoebox and see how it's fitting and if I need to include anything else. All right, so I have all my items laid out here on the table, and I'm going to start by trying to wrap my soccer ball into more of a concise package here. This one does feel like it will be fairly easy to fold. And you can put the pump right on the inside, and I often put some softer items in too, like the socks. And we'll see how that works here. The socks are pretty thick. You can just wrap it right around and then rubber band it. And I'm just going to do one. You can do more than that if you want, depending on your rubber band. But now it's a very nice, concise little soccer ball to stick in your shoebox. And this is a size 5, so it is a fairly large ball, but it does fold down nice. And sometimes if you buy these from Lion Wholesale or Wow Supplies, they already wrap theirs, which is really nice. You don't have to do that part. So I'm going to keep going here and see what else, if I can fit everything. And I need to put the bandana in first. This is optional. You don't have to use bandanas, but I like to do it. I just think it's pretty. And then I put my paper items inside the notebook. So I have my stickers, and over here are the coloring pages. Just like that. And I like to line one side of my shoebox with the notebook, or if I have a coloring book, I'll also put that in there. And then I start with some of my clothing items and items that I can fold to fit fairly flat on the bottom. I can also fold down the drawstring bag. Okay, and that should fit down in there. I'm trying to be more like William and Sarah. They like to pack as they go on camera. So that's a little bit more challenging for me, but we'll see how I do here. We have the soccer ball. And I'm going to slide the colored pencils down. I think it's down this side here. Okay, and then I also have the pencil pack, which is fairly flat. I think I can slide that down the other side. This I'm going to put down here. Okay. And then I just have like the smaller things, which will definitely fit. But my hope was I could fit maybe a little stuffed animal in here as well. I like to include plush if possible. So it's looking like if I can find a smaller sized plush in my stash, or one that will squish, I can probably include that also. So I'm going to go back upstairs to where my stuffed animals are and see if I can find 12 little stuffed animals that might fit. Okay, this closet is a mess, but I did find 12 of these smaller beanie ball type plushies. They're the Thai brand. I have some superheroes and then just some animals. So I had exactly 12, so those will be perfect to fit in the smaller spaces. Okay, so I'm back at my box here. I did reorganize it a little bit. I put the pencil pack over on that side as well. And I have my ball, which will fit down the side. And I have one of the Thai beanie balls. Stick him down there. And then I still have plenty of room, so I'm going to have to go find some more things to fill up these spaces. It's amazing how much will fit in a shoebox. So I'm going to put these little toys in here for now and go see what else I can find to fill in all the little gaps. All right, I grabbed some extra school supplies to fill in the gaps. I have some dual hole pencil sharpeners with cap erasers. I also have some glue sticks that I can fill in the empty spaces with. And I have this set of 24 die cast vehicles that I got on Valentine clearance. So I'm going to put 2 of these vehicles in with each shoebox. So I'm going to get all that out and see if it fills in the remaining gaps. And here is what the car pack looks like. It's a lot of really pretty colors. So I think they'll be nice. They're not Hot Wheel quality, but they're good for a filler toy. And they also came with these little bags. So I might just save them for fillers later on. And they also had these little Valentine sayings. So I might use those in a different project. So I added in the 2 cars there. And I have a pencil sharpener and a glue stick to add in. And I think that will all compress just right to fit inside this shoebox to be a fun, full, personalized shoebox. And since it bothers me to have any gaps, I ended up putting a Hawaiian lei on top to fill in the rest of the space. So here's what it looks like all together. And I'm going to go finish packing 11 more. Well, packing 12 soccer ball shoeboxes at the same time is not an easy feat. This took me a few hours to get everything packaged up nicely, and they are mostly ready. I do have my extra items here to help fill in the gaps, so I'm going to add those in, and then they'll be nice and full 10 to 14-year-old boy soccer ball shoeboxes. These should be the World Cup winners for 12 special boys out there. Well, this definitely makes me happy seeing all of these soccer-themed shoeboxes lined up on my table and ready to be shipped around the world to 12 boys. And they will receive these amazing wow gifts, as well as the ultimate wow gift that Jesus loves them and died for them. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the World Cup today. And let me know in the comments, are you packing soccer balls this year for your shoeboxes? Have a great week. I'll see you next time. Bye.